Do you know how Nataraja came to Chidambaram? It begins in Dharuvana, a forest of rishis believed rituals and knowledge alone ruled the universe. They had fire rituals and powerful mantras. They believed even the gods could be controlled. So Shiva and Vishnu entered in disguise. Shiva came as a naked ascetic dancing wildly. Vishnu followed as Mohini. Desire rose. Confusion spread. The rishis felt their control slipping. A yajna was lit. From the fire came a tiger. Shiva destroyed it and wore its skin. From the fire came a cobra. He lifted it and wore it as an ornament. From the fire came a deer, wild, impossible to catch. Shiva caught it. It froze in his hand. From the fire came flame itself. He lifted it and it burned without harming him. From the fire came Apasmara, ignorance itself. Shiva pressed it beneath his foot and then he danced, not to entertain, not to teach, because the truth could no longer be held back. The forest shook. The rishis understood. This dance could not be stopped by mantras or controlled by rituals. They surrendered. That was the first time Shiva danced on earth, but the dance did not disappear because Vishnu had witnessed it. When Vishnu remembered the dance, Adisesha felt a deep longing. I must see it. Shiva made a promise. He would dance again on earth. He sent Adisesha to the Tillai forest, Tillaivana, a place believed strong enough to hold the power of the dance. Adisesha was born as Patanjali. He reached Tillai and met another ascetic already waiting, Vyagrapada, the tiger-footed sage. They worshipped near the Shivaganga tank. They waited. Then the sky changed. 5 divine sounds echoed from the heavens. That was a sign. Shiva arrived as Nataraja. He danced the Ananda Tandava. Time moved forward. Grace flowed. When the dance ended, Nataraja turned to Vyagrapada. Is there anything more you desire? Vyagrapada bowed. Dance here forever, so humanity never forgets the rhythm of existence. Shiva granted the wish. The Chit Sabha was sealed. The dance did not leave. Tillai became Chidambaram, not a place where Shiva once danced, but the place where the dance remained. This is how Nataraja came to Chidambaram, not as a visitor, as a dance that never ends. Comment Om Namah Shivaya if you enjoyed watching the story. Follow the Temple Girl to know real stories behind our ancient temples.